In this video, we are going to discuss deterministic and non-deterministic, which is nothing but random signals. So, up to now we discussed so many classifications of signals like continuous and discrete signals. So, here we are going to discuss one more classification, deterministic and non-deterministic, which is nothing but random. Non-deterministic means random signals. Here a signal is said to be deterministic whenever we can define the signal at all instants of time without any doubt. That means, if we can give perfect definition, if we can give perfect equation for a signal, then it is said to be deterministic signal. If you are not able to define at particular intervals, if you are having any confusion, then that particular signal is said to be random signal. If you see the clear definition, a signal is said to be deterministic if there is no uncertainty, that means there is no confusion with respect to its values at any instant of time. At any instant of time, if you are not having any uncertainty or confusion about its values, that is called as deterministic signal. Coming to non-deterministic or random signal, a non-deterministic or random signal is one where there is uncertainty while defining values at any particular instant of time. So, for example, if you consider this diagram, so we can consider this diagram under deterministic signals. So, for example, if you want to determine any value at any particular instant of time, you can define the signal and directly you have a relation according to all values. For example, by observing the signal itself, you can say that is a cos wave. So, here this signal started at 90 at origin. So, that is a cos wave, you can say. You may have a definition of that signal x of t equal to some amplitude into cos omega naught t plus or minus phi phase shift. But if you consider this signal, you can see this is not a ramp to define it as t. So, it is not a sine wave to define it as sin t or cos t. So, it is having some variations in between the components. That means, we can't relate the components with a particular mathematical relation. So, simply you can say, so if you can give any equation, mathematical equation relating to the signal, that is called as deterministic signal. If you can't determine any mathematical relation for the components change in a signal, then definitely you can call it as random signal. So, for this deterministic and non-deterministic signal, I consider both the signals in continuous manner. So, here this is not the meaning only deterministic and non-deterministic must be continuous. This is not the meaning to consider this diagram. Deterministic, non-deterministic signal may be continuous or discrete. So, here the only thing is either that continuous signal or a discrete signal, if you can define with a relation, so then that is called a deterministic signal. If a continuous or a discrete signal, if you are not going to determine with a equation, if you are not able to define with an equation, that is called as random signals. So, this is about deterministic and random signals. The definitions are very important. So, if you can determine or define with a mathematical relation, that is deterministic. If you can't determine with a mathematical relation, that is called as random signal.